Okay, now if you're a Galaxy Watch fan, then this is an exciting news for you. Imagine if your watch could tap your wrist and warn you that you are about to faint, giving you just enough time to sit down and stay safe. It sounds like something from a science fiction movie, right? But Samsung has just made it a reality. In a world of first breakthrough, Samsung recently announced that their Galaxy Watch can now accurately predict when a person is going to faint. This new technology specifically looks at something called vasovagal syncope. Now, I know that sounds like a very complicated medical term, but it is actually a very common condition. It simply means that a person's heart rate and blood pressure drop very quickly, usually because of high stress, causing them to temporarily pass out. According to medical experts, up to 40% of people will experience this kind of fainting at least once in their lifetime, and a third of those people deal with it happening over and over again. While the fainting spell itself is usually not life-threatening, the real danger is the sudden fall. When people pass out without any warning, they can hit their heads, break bones, or get serious concussions. This is exactly where the new Galaxy Watch technology comes in to save the day. To make this feature possible, Samsung teamed up with Changyang University Hospital in South Korea for a special clinical study. A research team carefully tested 132 parties using a Galaxy Watch. Samsung used a Galaxy Watch equipped with PPG sensor and analyzed the watch's heart rate variability, which is HRV data, with an AI algorithm. By combining the watch's sensor data with a highly advanced artificial intelligence algorithm, the watch was able to learn the hidden warning signs of a fainting spell. The results from the study are absolutely amazing. The AI model successfully predicted a fainting episode up to 5 whole minutes before it even happened, and it did so with nearly 85% accuracy. Just think about how helpful that is for a moment. 5 minutes is a lot of time in an emergency, right? If your watch warns you 5 minutes in advance, you have plenty of time to find a safe place to sit down, lie on the floor, or call a friend or family member for help. You no longer have to worry about dropping suddenly and getting hurt. Samsung says this feature changes how we think about health technology entirely. Instead of using technology just to check our health after an injury happens, we can now use it for true preventive care, stopping accidents before they even occur. Samsung plans to keep improving this technology and expanding its health monitoring features so that more users can live healthier, safer lives without the constant fear of unexpected fainting. Now, this feature is not commercialized yet. There is no release dates for this. It is just a clinical study and not currently available for any of the Galaxy Watches. And we do not really know when would Samsung make this available, whether it will make it available for the existing Galaxy Watches or for a newly launched Galaxy Watch. We will have to wait and see. Samsung recently also announced the non-invasive optically based continuous glucose monitoring for its wearable devices, using which users can track blood sugar trends without skin piercing. This feature was reported multiple times by Samsung. However, this is also not commercialized yet. But definitely Samsung is working on these features, and we can expect these features to come very soon in the coming days. I will keep you guys posted about everything that's happening with Galaxy Watch, Galaxy phones, and other Android phones. So if you want to stay updated with all the news, updates, tips and tricks, etc., be sure you become a part of this community by subscribing and give this video a like if you find this video informative. And do not forget to download our wallpaper application Wallverse. There are some fantastic wallpapers, tons of them. Do go ahead and check them out. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.